So here's part two. We want to continue our discussion. We're looking on page 628. Now we're looking at number 17, and this is qualifying for a mortgage. So the Ginther's gross monthly income is $3,200. Gross means before taxes, before deductions. Okay. Um, they have 25 remaining car payments of $335. So whenever you're applying for a mortgage, if you have less than 10 payments left, then for bills or credit cards or car payments, um, then the lender won't use that against your income. Okay, but if you have more than 10 payments, then you have to subtract that bill from your monthly income to find your adjusted gross monthly income or adjusted monthly income. All right, so they have 25 remaining car payments, so 25 of them, and the car payments are $335 each. Okay. They are applying for a 15-year, $150,000 mortgage at a 5% interest rate. So 15-year, $150,000 at 5% interest. The taxes and insurance on the house are $225 a month. Taxes plus insurance are $225 per month. Their credit union will approve a loan that has a total monthly house payment of principal, interest, property taxes, and homeowners insurance that is less than or equal to 28% of their adjusted monthly income. So part A, determine 28% of their adjusted monthly income. So part A, excuse me, 28% of adjusted monthly income. To find the adjusted monthly income, you take the gross minus bills with, and I believe the rule is 10 or more payments. 10 or more payments, okay? So it's 3,200 minus the 335 because that's their car payment. And then we find that their adjusted gross or income or adjusted income for the month is $2,865, right? By subtracting. And now we want to find 28% of that. So we take 0.28, which is 28% in decimal form, and multiply it by that adjusted income. And we get an answer of $802.20. That's the answer for part A. Part B, determine their total monthly house payment, including the principal, interest, taxes, and homeowners insurance. So for part B, we're going to do our monthly payment formula. Okay. And again, our principal is the price of the house because this scenario did not mention a down payment, right? So our monthly payment is going to be found by doing $150,000 times the interest rate, which was 5%, so 0.05 divided by 12 over 1 minus 1 plus 0.05 over 12 raised to a power of negative 12 times, and it's a 15-year mortgage. Put that in your calculator, and you should get that the monthly payment was $1,186.19, and this does not include like the taxes and insurance. So now to answer this question, we have to go back and add how much their taxes and insurance cost on the house, which is $225 every month. So then add that together, and you'll find that the total payment, including all the taxes and insurance, is going to be $1,411.19. This is the answer for Part B. Now, Part C says, do they qualify for the loan? So remember, they will qualify for the loan if their monthly payment, including the property taxes, interest, and all that stuff, is less than or equal to 28% of their adjusted monthly income. So we need to refer or compare to the answer we got in Part A, I believe. It's when we were doing the 28%. So the 28% of the adjusted income was $802.20. Okay, so the issue here is that their 28% of their adjusted income is actually less than the monthly payment would be, including all the taxes and interest. So because the adjusted income is less than the payment, the total monthly payment, including homeowners insurance and interest, then they will not qualify. No, they don't qualify. In order for them to qualify, they would have to make enough money to cover that payment, right? And they don't, based on that 28% rule. So no, they don't qualify. All right, stay tuned for Part 3.